I'm making this video to show you some of my previous work and briefly explain how I can help you build a beautiful flagstone patio or path. I have years of experience installing flagstone and it's now become one of my specialties. I've written my very own step-by-step guide and revealed all of my tips and techniques. So even if you've never installed a flagstone patio or path before, you're going to find my guide easy to follow and stress-free. My guide covers everything you need to know and more. What to look for when purchasing flagstone. How to plan out and design the shape and size of your project. My personal technique on how to place the flagstone down so that you can keep all of the pieces tight together and avoid having wide spaces. How to cut and trim flagstone. A fast and easy way to install your flagstone so that each piece is flush with each other and doesn't move or rock if it's stepped on. So if you want to install a flagstone patio or path that's going to impress people and make your neighbors jealous, this guide is for you.